Hey guys, welcome to Cherry Garage. Today we're gonna change the oil on my N54 in my E90. So you're gonna need your oil filter. It's this one right here. I'm choosing to go with full synthetic 5W40. I think BMW recommends 5W30. You're gonna need 6.9 quarts of that oil. You're also gonna need your oil filter removal tool. You're gonna want a torque wrench just so you can torque things down right. Your regular ratchet. Your drain bolt's 17 millimeters. Flathead's helpful for getting the O-rings off. If you're just doing this with jack and the jack stands, you're gonna want at least 2 jack stands and a jack so you can jack up the front end and then place your car on jack stands. Or where you put your jack stands, it's gonna be right here. You can kind of see it. It's the plastic square, and obviously you're gonna have your e-brake on. You get your 17 millimeter and a wrench, or a ratchet. All right, so you can see right here, usually there's a little piece of plastic here that covers it up. You open that little door, and you'll see this bolt right here. That is your oil drain. You're gonna wanna have a drain pan handy. You're gonna open the engine bay and unscrew this to get your oil filter off.
Dusty.
In your little filter, you're gonna get the copper piece. You put that on your drain nut. You have a big gasket, which is gonna go right here. And then this little gasket that you can see right here is gonna go right here around this spot. Usually a flathead or a little pick is easy enough to get these out. Before you put your new O-rings on, you wanna go ahead and pre-lube them up with some oil.
Well, that was easy.
Brute force and determination will allow you to put it on.
Okay.
Just like that. So, this will be ready to go. Replace this plug now that you have your little copper O-ring. Torque it down to 18.4 foot-pounds. But yeah, you're gonna torque that down. We got our filter back in the housing. Before we put it in, we're gonna prime it 5W30, but my engine's old and I run it hard, so we're gonna give it some 5W40.
You can also get a little like cereal bowl and just dunk it.
That in there. And righty-tighty. Now what you'll definitely want to do is wipe some of this oil off if you've made as much of an oily mess as me. All right, so the next step, guys, is going to be to fill the oil. 6.9 quarts. And your oil has been changed. Now for this car to check it, you got to get it up kind of a running temp and then click through the menus to check your oil level. Unfortunately, they don't give you a dipstick. Well guys, yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you were able to change your own oil successfully, and I hope your car is running great, no metal in your oil. Please comment if this helped you, or if you have any questions, like the video, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.